All right, welcome back. Now we've got another equation, okay? Another system of two equations that we want to solve. Now notice that, again, it's always good to know what shapes these are, right? So notice that this is the formula for a circle, right? You can see that. This here is the equation for what? A hyperbola, okay? So this is going to be a oh, actually, no, this is not a circle. This is an ellipse, right? Because if you divide everything by 4, you get x squared over 4 plus y squared over 1 equals 1. So this is an ellipse and a hyperbola. So we're going to see where these intersect, right? Okay, cool. So now, and it's always good to see those things, right? So now we're going to solve this by addition. So the easy one here is we can eliminate the x by just multiplying one of the two equations by -1. So let's do the second one, right? So we'll do the second one. So we got negative, well, this will be, let's do this. Let's just multiply the whole thing. So we'll get, negative x squared plus y squared is equal to -9. So now if we add the first equation and this one, we're going to get, the x's are going to drop out. We get 5y squared is equal to -5. And then we divide both sides by 5. And we get y squared equals -1. Okay, now, notice what happens here. As soon as I see the -1, I have a problem, okay? Because what happens, if I take the square root of both of these, what do I get? I get an imaginary number, I get a complex number, right? So if I take the square root of both sides, I'm going to get y equals plus or minus the square root of 1, or excuse me, -1. Which is going to give me what? Plus or minus I. Well, that's an imaginary number, complex number. So that means, guess what? There is no solution to the system. That means there are no points where the two graphs intersect. So the ellipse and the hyperbola do not intersect, and we're done. We're done. Because remember, we're looking for real solutions. Real solutions are the only solutions we can graph on the rectangular plane, on the Cartesian coordinate system, right? So anything that's not real it represents the fact that we can't graph it, and in this case, there is no solution.